Adult topi are twice a hyena's weight. Without a lion's claws, she must hang on to prey with a vice-like bite. Her muscular forequarters help brace against its escape. And the dense mesh of her muscles in her neck help resist the topi's violent twists and turns. Together, the tenacious females overpower their victim. It will be the clan females who will get the best of the feast. This sisterhood is critical to the survival of the clan. They have to share this land with their sworn enemy, Lion. This lioness has wandered close to the hyena's den, the hiding place for all the clan's youngsters under 8 months old. Lions